Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to learn Linux without any VM. Okay, without any further delay, let's start. Only Chrome is enough for LAN. So you just open the Chrome first and then type it as extension. In the extension, you have to click the first link, Chrome for Web Store. Then here you have to type Ubuntu. Yeah, then you'll get this tab and you have to click first one, Ubuntu, and then just make it as this add to grow, add extension. Now it's checking. Maybe it's take a little bit time. Yeah, it's done. And then you have to go here your Chrome extensions, and here you can see, and you just click here, and then first one. After that, you just start. Thing is that some of us, getting worry without our Linux desktop, we cannot learn Linux. No, usually, yes, most of us having this low configuration system like 4 GB RAM and i3 or i5 processor. So if you install any Hyper-V or any virtualization, the same system, and the system becomes slow, so we cannot use our Windows also. So in that kind of scenario, without worrying, you have to use through the web. It will take some while. Yeah, 24 seconds. Here you will get this our real-time experience, like how we use Windows. It is like kind of VM, the web VM. See now the page has loaded. See here in the beside of the both sides, you'll get many advertisements because it's running in the web. And yeah, this is our Linux desktop. So, whatever there, if you whatever available in the real-time systems, all the options are available here also. See, yeah, here the terminal, whatever, and you can calendar and time. So all codes, all scripts, you can ls and ls-l. Everything you can check, and whatever you learn, you can check it here. And the thing is, you have to use continuously. If you leave the mouse or without using for 10 minutes, it will get disconnected. And again, you have to go back. Again, you have to start from beginning. So try to use continuously, and it will be very useful, I guess. Yeah, that's all. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching video.